Hey, this is Anthony from Rockin Printz, and thanks for watching this video. On this channel, I provide you walkthrough tutorials from selling products with print on demand, graphic design, and embroidery. Today we'll dive into everything about print on demand, side hustles, and making money online. If you're looking to take your business to the next level, then you probably heard about the companies Printful and Printify. But what if I told you that using both platforms together can help you attract more customers and boost sales? That's right. In today's video, I'll break down the key benefits using Printful and Printify side by side to maximize your success. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your business, this strategy can give you the competitive edge. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about product variety. One of the biggest advantages of using both platforms is that you can offer a wider range of products. Printify connects you to a network of over 85 print providers worldwide, giving you access to unique products like eco-friendly apparel, sneakers, custom notebooks, and more. Printful, on the other hand, specializes in high-quality, in-house fulfillment with premium items like embroidered hats, all-over print hoodies, and cut and sew products. By combining both platforms, you can offer customers a huge variety of items, ensuring you never miss a sale due to limited options. Think about it. If a customer is looking for an embroidered hat, an all-over print hoodie, they can get both of those items from your store without shopping elsewhere. That's an instant boost in sales. Next, let's talk about pricing and profit margins. This means you can choose the best price for your products to maximize your profit margins. For example, if you find a Printify supplier offering a basic t-shirt for $7, while Printful sells the same t-shirt for $12, you can go with the cheaper option and make a higher profit. Printful shines when it comes to branding and premium quality. If you want to offer high-end branded apparel with embroidery, custom tags, or inside labels, Printful is the way to go. So by using both platforms, you can cater to both budget-conscious shoppers and premium buyers. Another huge benefit: faster shipping times and worldwide fulfillment. Printify allows you to pick suppliers closer to your customers to speed up delivery. Printful has in-house fulfillment centers in Europe, North America, and beyond for high quality control and quick shipping. No matter where they are, fast shipping equals happier customers and better reviews. Let's talk about reliability. Have you ever had a product go out of stock right when the customer wants to buy it? With Printify, you can select another supplier instantly. And if Printify doesn't have what you need, you can list the same product with Printful as a backup. This reduces order cancellations and customers always get what they want. Finally, both customers offer automation platforms for Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. Whether you process 10 orders a month or 1,000, you can set up auto fulfillment and let Printful and Printify do the rest. So should you use Printful or Printify? Why not both? By combining these two powerhouse platforms, you get the best of both worlds: cheaper pricing, premium products, faster shipping, and a more reliable business model that attracts customers and increases sales. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, as it's going to help support my channel out tremendously. And if you want to see more content such as this, subscribe to my channel. And let me know in the comments, are you currently using Printful and Printify for your online business? I would love to hear your feedback. So thanks again for watching. You all have a blessed week and a blessed day, and we'll see you guys back on my next video next week, and peace.